As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
So I'm looking at these two portable grills, the Charbroil Grill2Go X200 and the Blackstone 1814. Both propane, both portable, but which one's better for, like, tailgating and stuff?
Good question. Let's dive in. The Charbroil is definitely lighter, only 20 pounds. That Blackstone is a hefty 35.2 pounds. Big difference if you're lugging it around.
Yeah, portability is key. What about cooking space? I need to feed a few hungry fans.
The Charbroil has a 200 square inch cooking surface. The Blackstone gives you a bit more, with 267 square inches. So, slightly more burger space with the Blackstone.
Okay, Blackstone edging ahead there. What about heat? How hot can these things get?
The Blackstone boasts 12,000 BTUs, while the Charbroil has 9,500. More BTUs generally means quicker heating and potentially higher max temperatures, but it's not the only factor. The Charbroil uses TRU infrared, which they say eliminates flare-ups and cooks more evenly.
Infrared, interesting. So less chance of burning my precious brats?
Potentially. But some users report the Charbroil can run too hot, even with the infrared. Some recommend using a regulator to control the heat. The Blackstone seems to have more consistent heat distribution, thanks to its H-style burner.
Good to know. And cleaning? Because nobody wants to spend ages scrubbing a grill after a game.
The Blackstone has an integrated grease tray, which is a big plus for easy cleanup. You just slide it out and wipe it down. The Charbroil also has a removable grease tray, so similar convenience there.
What about the overall build? Are these things going to fall apart after a few uses?
The Charbroil has a die-cast firebox and aluminum lid, which sounds pretty durable. The Blackstone is stainless steel, and users praise its sturdy build. Both seem reasonably well made for portable grills.
Okay, so lighter and infrared for the Charbroil, more cooking space and higher BTUs for the Blackstone, and similar cleanup. That's helpful. And what are people saying about them?
Charbroil gets praise for portability and cooking performance, but some dislike the flame resistance. Blackstone users like the easy cleaning and versatility, but some had mixed opinions on build and heat distribution.
Tough call. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.